We got the Yiros house. Is chicken biryani. That's what it's supposed to look like. This is what it actually looks like.
Yay, kick time. Apple all the way. Yummy.
Apple. Well, what's up, man?
iPhone.
Rishu, how are you, man? What's going on? Doing verticals, mate. Verticals. Trying to hit that mobile scene. Nice woman. Bernardo! What's up, mate? I changed it. Hey guys, don't forget to become a member. $1.50 Australian. $1.49 Australian. Hit the little membership thing. Join up today. Join the Panda Club. If you're feeling generous, super chats or gifted sub, gifted membership. It's not too bad.
I was watching Lilo and Stitch live action. Have a look at Chat Lounge. I posted a scene from the movie that couldn't have added a goat any better, aha.
Oh, really? Chat Lounge. Is it funny? Yeah, that's funny. Right, I'm feeling generous. See here, you can't pick how many you want to give. On the mobile, you can pick. Yeah. The goat at the end's funny.
The goat at the end.
Yeah. See, on mobile, you can go. I don't know how to mute it on the phone. See, mobile.
I need to get a jumper that says wanna play Fortnite.
See, mobile, you can gift 1, 5, 10, 20, 50. See, you can't do that on can't do that on PC. My stock's in bed, mate. Go on to bed. $7.50 for 5 gifted. That's cheap. That's so cheap. Hey, enjoy, guys. Peter Bean. Peter Bean, Barney Jack, Jesus
Where's
and
Boss
Elizabeth,
Dog?
Paper Girl, and Minta. Welcome to the Panda Club. What the fuck? That's a moan. Hey, man. 5-4 that. Get him out of here. Hey, yeah.
Daddy yell rude.
Hey, yeah. That was funny. Mm. 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 We'll have to ask someone who gets a gift and if they can extend it straight away, see what comes up. Or if they have to wait. Let me try something. Hang on. Let me test it myself. Hang on. Give me a
I'm
sec.
gonna have to start giving subs on YouTube.
Mate. Don't have to, but it's up to you, mate.
Cheap. Cheap was cheap.
Oh, so cheap. I'm gonna change to this one. I'm gonna go. Hi. I'm gonna say hi with the True Crime channel. We're gonna go back to Soxy Sports. I'm gonna go here. Can I gift him stuff? Oh! Can he report a block? Oh. Also, as myself, I can only do 5 gifteds, but I can't pick. Let's see if it gifts it to my channel. Your channel. Free base. Congratulations. Can you pick who you give it to? No. Oh well. I thought I could like pick who I give to. Can't scroll across. Ah, that's enough. That's enough, mate. Relax. Just relax.
Just relax.
If you look at that merch,
I'll get merch when
there it is. I want to play Fortnite. There it is. It's here. I've already made it. I made it for you. Look.
Yeah, payday. I'll get it payday.
Oh, payday. Payday. Payday.
Payday.
Payday. You get it. It's a jump button. We get the same design but jump.
Oh, zone run.
Oh. Can I get it? Panda Safari. View this design on 45 products. Here we go. There it is, hoodie. Oh wow. 63 bucks. Jesus. All over sweatshirt. Duffel bag. Pin. Backpack. Zipped hoodie. Ah, this hoodie. This is what I want. I'm playing Fortnite. What color would you get?
Black.
Black. Yeah. Oh, speaking of what looks good. I'd go black or red. Bye, Fortnite. I should change it so it's. Huh? Want to play Fortnite?
I'm dead. I'm dead.
I wonder if people get like notification when they get a gift. Alright. Finish the review.
What are you actually gonna play Fortnite?
Maybe.
If I get this win?
Maybe either way. Win or no win. Not all about winning.
How?
Nah, not playing well.
Practically.
No,
Add me, add me, add me.
not playing now. Couldn't win it. Time's over.
Just send you a party invite. Nah.
I'm on bloody football. You can say what I'm doing.
not even playing football. You're eating.
Well, what?
A stream sniped you. Get him out of here.
Oh, yeah. Oh, you can see it on the YouTube, you just can't see it on the... Mmm.
Where's the one I play Fortnite? Oh, there you go. Wanna play Fortnite?
Mmm. 5 million gifted, mate. $5 million. What's 5 million gifted worth?
Pretty much given you 5 million gifted.
5 by 149. Huh? Oh, 5 million, sorry. Oops. I bought 5.
I don't have $100 million. Like,
It's 7.45 million, mate. It's not much. Elon Musk.
not much.
Elon Musk can drop that.
What do you mean?
Elon Musk can drop that. Imagine. Elon Musk. Ewok Musk.
Oh, that's Chewbacca.
Oh, Chewbacca. Alright, I'll give that a 7.9. It's nice and nice.
Oh, you want to know what I learned how to
But when you're ordering a meal and you notice they put it in the microwave for like 3 minutes, you're like, I'm like, you don't make it fresh? They're like, nah, we heat it up. I'm like, ah.
I learned how to say hello in Melody.
That's a review. Thanks, guys.